Your universal antenna mount includes a J-pole, an extension tube, a mounting bracket and brace, two 16mm and two 13mm carriage bolts with flange nuts, two 60mm hex bolts with flange nuts, 4 lag screws, 1 L-bolt, and an instruction manual. You'll need 2 wrenches, sizes 7/16 and 1/2 inch. Step 1. Attach the mounting bracket to the mounting brace as shown, using the two 16mm carriage bolts provided. Use a 1/2 inch wrench to securely tighten the nuts. Step 2. Attach the J-pole to the mounting brace using one of the hex bolts with flange nuts provided. Keep in mind, the J-pole can be connected to the brace in either direction. Consider the angle of the surface where it's being mounted and any required clearance before you decide which direction your J-pole needs to be. Step 3. Attach the J-pole to the mounting brace for elevation adjustment as shown, using the two 13mm carriage bolts with flange nuts provided. Use a 7/16 wrench to securely tighten the nuts. Step 4 is an optional step. For those who need additional height with their antenna, attach the extension tube to the J-pole as shown, using 1 hex bolt with flange nut provided. Use a 7/16 wrench to securely tighten the nut. Then, tighten the included L-bolt through the J-pole to secure the extension tube in its final position. This concludes the assembly of the universal antenna mount. For additional product and installation videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel or visit us online at channelmaster.com.